Sarao against Duremdes will finish around him for the basket. Naging instrumental siya doon. JP Sarao back to Alwin Alday, pulls the trigger and hits the three. Good rebound, AJ Coronel. AJ off the glass and it rolls through.
And that's 3 different looks already that we've seen. Set up the big man in the post. They can move the ball and find and be patient with the outside shot. But at the same time, they can also, speed up the ball game by pushing it.
Manalang. JP Sarao. Bounce pass inside. Naagaw ng Sarangani. On the run, Jake Gaspay. Sorry, that was Alex Desoyo.
Dikit na.
Dikit na, oo. In terms of the number of defeats. But because of the win of Cebu, Andre Duremdes with a cleanup job. Samantala, itong Sarangani, pinag-uusapan natin, Coach Juan, sila-sila yan. Ng Imus, ano ba? So now, because of that loss, they are at 7 and 12. Pero dami na rin kasing talo nitong Sarangani, Imus, saka Negros eh. Nag-uusap tayo, Coach Juan, pero ganun-ganun lang. Isa lang ang lamang ng Rizal, 9-8. Sarangani able to catch up. Lilan Estacio sneaks in the layup, lamang ng Sarangani. The focal point of the offense of the Warriors being held to just 5 points. And for the entirety of that game, Jensen was just out of it. It may have Soyo maneuvering around the paint.
That's 3 consecutive attempts. Finally getting a basket.
Coronel got a piece of that one. Bounce pass to Alwin Alday, who swoops in for the layup. 14-12, Pascual for the lead. It's good from downtown.
It's just him bringing down the ball and just pulling up.
Cut inside, Lilan Estacio, beautifully executed by the Sarangani squad.
It's been a good decade or so for the Philippines, I might have to say. Individual sports have been representing us. Kahit si EJ Obiena, pwede mo isama dun sa mix ng mga individual Filipinos.
These are world-class athletes.
Right.
We're talking about Caliano sizing up Cholo Mendoza. Spins baseline. Kicks it out to Brian Lacap for 3. And that will end quarter number 1.